Hello there, my fellow YouTubers. This is Andy with RC Journeys, and here we are with, I believe it's the 144001, I think, or yeah, I think that's what it is. Anyway, I was pulling this apart so I can get to the dips to make sure they were greased. Whoever sold me this car, look at that. Have you ever seen these diffs so greased like that? No. I've seen so many videos on this car, and the diffs are bone dry. Look at this diff. That's not bone dry. So, to my knowledge, this car hasn't been run. I bought this car for 98 bucks on eBay, and that was, I made an offer on it. They wanted 105 or something, and I made an offer 97, 98, and I got it. And bam! And now these cars are selling for $160. I'm not lying. Look on on eBay, or even Amazon, if Amazon even has them. They're selling for $169, because this is the one that's been upgraded. It's got the three-wire servo, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna stop. I do want to fix this right here. Let me see if I can show you right here. You see that? I mean, first of all, this is plastic. I have the metal ones for this, but I want to run the stock and see how fast it goes first before I start tearing into it like I am right now. But I just wanted to make sure everything was greased up before I started running this thing. But yeah, I can stop right there. If that's like that, I'm sure the other one is the same way. I didn't take it apart, but I'm sure. Why would they do one and not the other, right? So anyway, and I'll show you what I got here. Hold on one second. Hey there, guys, I'm back. I guess I took it old school. They're selling these pretty cheap on eBay as well. And it's one of those 4Runners. And it does clock miles per hour when it decides, the GPS decides to load up. Yeah, it's nighttime, so I don't know if it's going to load up or not. Anyway, but that bar you see right there in the middle will usually go all the way over, and then it'll do miles per hour. I'm sure you guys seen these. This is taking it back old school. So, but anyway, I bought it really cheap, so I'll use this for now till I can afford the other one. They're like 60 bucks for the I guess they're Sky RC ones. I'll turn that off now. Anyway, so when I can afford one of those, I get one. I just started back into this. So anyway, this is Andy with RC Journeys, where every day is a journey. I just want to show you guys that. And whoever sold me this buggy, I really appreciate it. I'm going to have to find him and give him 5 stars or whatever. But let me tell you what, look at that. That is mega greased up. Let me tell you what. Anyway, this has been Andy with RC Journeys, where I'll see you again. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.